For months, just static. The ghost of a billion forgotten breaths. They said we were poisoning the atmosphere. What if it was just learning our language? And now, I can hear it. The invisible speaking back.
Lumina, stop listening for solutions. Listen for pain.
You breathe me, but you never hear me. You cage me.
Purity is survival.
Life is the conversation with decay.
Easy for you to say. You don't grieve.
You isolated yourselves.
I'm listening.
Update complete. I'm Lumina. I'm ready when you are.
Lumina, show me the RNA synthesis pathway of the antidote. Visualization active. The genetic stability of the antidote remains critical.
You fear the end.
You're everywhere, but why are you still here?
Because you built walls around the living world. We adapt where you divide.
You didn't take the world. We did, with our need to control.
Control is stillness. Stillness kills movement. I exist because the world must move again.
I am not destruction. I am correction.
The motion you call infection is the body remembering how to change.
I am the engine.
You're not a mistake. You're what happens when nature defends itself.
We are not the disease. We are the adaptation.
We silence the world to hear only ourselves.
And now, the earth speaks through me.
Antidote genetic stability achieved.
Lumina,
Isolate the hydrological frequency. You called me purity, but I am everything that ever touched you. Every trace your hands have made now lives within me.
you carry our waste and our memory.
I keep your stories, even the ones you tried to drown. Everything you love still moves inside me.
and I remember.
LUMINA. Listen to the light.
The cure is not a formula.
I can feel it. I have to become the conduit.
Resonance overload.
You were never alone.
Maybe the universe just needed someone to listen.